we're at the Ginger Factory. So it's free admission, big letters, so let's have a look. No trains coming. All good. So, what's the ride like?
It's good fun.
Good fun?
Yeah.
How long is it?
Takes about 15 minutes.
Alright, with some commentary?
There is a commentary. We go out past the outside of the factory. It tells you briefly what each section's used for. You get a bit of history about Ginger, the factory, the train, things like that.
Alright.
About 15 minutes around.
Okay.
So is the ginger grown here too?
No, it's grown within the area and shipped to here for processing.
Okay.
But ginger is a deciduous plant. It dies down completely in winter. And then just coming back up to the season where they're starting to replant it and it'll start to regrow. So.
Well, we're on the ginger train for the train tour. So there's a fair few people on board just waiting for it to start.
Hey you guys!
More than a train ride, it's a step.
Hi guys!
For the safety and comfort of all passengers, we ask you to remain seated, keeping arms and legs inside the carriages at all times. Smoking is not permitted. The carriages you're arriving are similar to the trams which carried holiday makers to the coast before local roads were built in 1926. They're being built by Morton, one of Queensland's original coal-fired cane locomotives, first built in Germany in 1901. The Morton was brought to Australia in 1905 and was the first of 7 locomotives that would gradually replace horse-drawn carriages, carting sugarcane to the Morton Mill here on the Sunshine Coast. Morton retired after 64 years of faithful service and was replaced by a modern diesel locomotive. After a few years' rest, he was loving the restore and came out of retirement for use here at the Ginger Factory. Yandina, the home of the Ginger Factory, was surveyed in 1870, making it the oldest town on the Sunshine Coast. The name was derived from 2 Aboriginal words, Yan meaning go, and Dina meaning on foot. Go on foot. This area was first settled by timber cutters who logged species such as tallow. Bullock teams moved the timber to nearby Marucci River, and paddle steamers carried the large logs through the shallow waters to the wharves for shipping to Brisbane. Timber remained an important industry in the township until the late 1920s. In 1867, the discovery of gold and Gympie brought an influx of travellers to the area, At the start of the gold rush, the trip from Brisbane to Gympie took 3 days, travelling by boat and horse-drawn coach. The journey now takes less than 3 hours. Ahoy there, shipmates! On your right-hand side, you can see a large green building, which is home to Overhaul Boat Ride. You'll see the entrance to this great adventure and the red and yellow boats. Go overboard with the gingerbread man on a fantastic voyage around the world. Will you escape the clutches of the hungry house? Find out when you embark on this meandering water adventure. Unlimited rides on Horton and Overboard are both included in our 12-month VIP bonus. For more on this great deal, see our friendly staff at the information desk inside the Ginger Shop. On your left-hand side, you will see the site of the simple Royal Beach. Can you hear that buzz in the air? Gives you unique you see and then one of nature's hardest working creatures. Ask the beekeeper about tasting some of Australia's favourite honey. We're now entering the industrial complex, where our advanced processing techniques results in the finest confectionery ginger in the world. On the left-hand side is our administration building, always working on promoting the world's finest ginger to areas around the globe. The building to the right houses the cutting, syruping and crystallizing processes. Guided tours through the production facility tells the inside story, planting and harvesting through the processing and packaging and then exporting to the world. The tours include product sampling in our tasting kitchen and depart regularly throughout the day. The small building on the right is our quality and control department, where we work on developing new and exciting products. Ginger is one of Sunshine Coast's most enduring primary industries, with a supply from a range of big and small local family farmers who provide raw product to Buderim Ginger each year, which is processed right here at the Ginger Factory. First built in the area in the early 1900s. It was a building just like this one that 5 ginger farmers first met to form the original Buderim Ginger Co. Between them, the farmers had 25 pounds, 2 wooden vats and 14 tonnes of green ginger, and they managed to process Buderim's first ginger crop in 1941. If you look carefully, you might just see some of our chickens who love to come out and say hi to our visitors, and sometimes get a feed from the driver. Since the 1980s, the Ginger Factory has entertained millions of visitors. That's a lot of visitors, which is why we make sure you have fun while you're here. If you're feeling hungry throughout the day, why not try one of our famous homemade ginger scones, served with our very own ginger? Why not join our next big tour and find out why? Just inside the main entrance is the Ginger Shop, with Australia's largest selection of ginger products. Here, you'll be able to buy the world's finest ginger factory direct. Products include ginger cookies, ginger chocolate, in keeping with all things ginger, did you know that we churn our very own premium ice cream on site? Mostly ginger, but don't worry, there's a couple without. We're now heading back to Gingertown Station, where you'll find village-style shopping. The Buderim Co. offers a large range of nuts, lollies and handmade fudge. They boast a gourmet range of teas, biscuits and macadamia products. Giuseppe's Workshop is a quaint little toy shop to the rafters with treats for all, which are games, hidden toys and collectibles, even lucky dips for the kids. Traditional herbs and scents specialise in exotic spices, essential oils and unique gifts. We're now approaching Gingertown Station. Thanks for riding with us. We hope we've added a nice relaxed break to your day. As the train enters the platform, please remember to keep arms and legs inside the carriages and...
That was a lovely train ride and informative. But why not go and visit the factory, which we did. You can go on a factory tour to look at how ginger is grown, then harvested, and obviously transported into a factory where it becomes processed goods. It all starts from the roots. They clean them, they shred them into smaller pieces, then they are crystallized and then processed into other different things which you can buy in the shop. As you saw on the way in, everything was made from ginger more or less.